Paint is one of the common applications on most PCs and is included in all Microsoft Windows systems. In this video, I'll show you how to convert PDF files to Paint-compatible file formats with PDFelement. Here we go. First, click Convert PDF on the Startup page, and then choose your PDF file. Paint supports formats like .jpg, .png, and TIFF. Select an output format in the drop-down menu. If you need advanced settings, just click on the Settings button. Here you get options like convert each page of the PDF as separate images, join all pages into one single image, or extract all the images in the PDF. I'm going to pick the first one. OK, and then select a saving location and hit Save. Now it's done. If you have multiple PDF files to convert, you can use the Batch Process function. Click the Batch Process button on the Startup page. Make sure you select Convert on the left. All your PDF files are right here. Select the Paint-compatible format, as well as the output folder on the right. Then hit Start Now. PDF to Paint converting is done. Super simple, isn't it? Check out the link in the description to experience more powerful features of PDFelement for free right now. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.